Welcome back, everybody. I wanted to go over a recent Game Boy Advanced and Game Boy Color haul I found online on a local marketplace. So for everything shown here, I paid $175. At first, the guy had one lot up for $100, and I went and got it and came back home and saw that he had listed another lot. So I asked him about that and asked him if he had any more. So that's how I ended up with all this, but let's go through these one by one here. So the reason I paid up for these is because most of them are complete in the box, and the guy said he had tested them. And a lot of the boxes are in mint condition. You can see in this one, it's got the cardboard inside. But I think that really adds to the value of this. I still think I'm gonna have to go through and test the batteries on the ones that have them to make sure those still work. But overall, I didn't see anything that was beat up or anything like that. I think the consoles themselves are a little rough, but I don't think that's where the value lies in this lot. Also, most of these games are really good titles. I mean, here's one that's not, but besides that, I think 90% of these are really desirable. I got lucky and saw this within minutes of it being posted. The guy said he had a couple people interested, but I told him I could be there right away. And that's how I secured the deal. The coin here is kind of interesting. You got that for pre-ordering Pokemon Sapphire, and that by itself is about $35 to $40. There were a few games that were loose that didn't have the boxes. I don't think any of them, well, yeah, there's a couple Scooby-Doo and Pirates of the Caribbean and things like that, but there was actually one good game in there that looked like it was worth $45 or $50. A lot of these game guides are actually worth a decent amount of money. I was looking through some of them, and it looked like some of them could actually sell for 100 or 200 a piece. Some of them not. I believe this Dragon Warrior one here is probably the most valuable. Let me know in the comments below which one of these games is your favorite, or if you want to see anything else close up before I sell these off. Also, I ended up buying a new Nintendo toolkit so I can open these games up and prove that they're authentic. So if you want a link to that, look below. As always, thanks for watching.